Hi everyone, in front of me is NOKIA G10 and let me share with you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to actually very bottom in order to find system. Now let's enter backup. And as you can see here, we've got the option account. If you cannot find it, no worries. All you have to do is to simply activate the whole backup option. So just tap on the switcher and the account option is active and it appears. So let's tap on it. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And from this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. Okay, let's tap on next. Right now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it. And here you've got all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info. We should receive the whole list after tapping on accept. Let's check. And as I said, here we've got the full list of what the backup includes. So your device will backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. So let's tap on OK. And as you can see, we just successfully added our backup account to this device. So it means that from now on, all the content will be stored on your Google Drive. What's more, here you can tap on backup now. Here you can manage some photos and videos if you want to save the photos or videos into Google Photos, and when you want to backup. So I highly recommend to leave this option turned on and backup only using the Wi-Fi. So actually this is it. This is how to enable Google Backup in your NOKIA G10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.